Have you ever imagined taking your fins with you? They are clunky and bulky, and that's why many people do not use them. Stop. It shouldn't be like that. Let's go a step further. It's time for folding fins. Easy packing, saving time, compact design. For decades, old fins have been mostly negative space. Wouldn't it be great if you could fit your fins into 1/3 of that volume? We sure thought so. With folding fins, you are not limited and always ready for any situation. We have created a unique design that goes hand in hand with low weight and small dimensions. No matter where you are, they can come in handy during your adventure. With folding fins, there is no limits. Face the challenge and achieve the desired destination, no matter what.
The research team of the Polish Naval Academy has undertaken a joint project with Exotech, and we have managed to create advanced software that allows us to control a test robot that mimics the natural movement of the human leg and provides the necessary data to create the most optimal fins. To perform our theoretical assumption, we use a special testing unit, a hydrodynamic tunnel, and install our robot and many other testing devices in it. We have researched to optimize the construction of the fin so that it is more efficient than traditional ones. Perfect fins were developed as a result of calculations and the hard work of whole team. In our opinion, this is a unique product.
Finally, without any compromises, you can pack everything, including your fins, and fly to your desired destination, not worrying about extra paid luggage. Feel full freedom and calmness with folding fins. They're light and compact.
You can diversify your trip and take your fins with you. Not only does folding fins take a little space, but also beginners can use them without any problems. You will discover new horizons and feel the lightness of swimming in a totally new generation of fins, folding fins.
Thanks to our invention, you are able to pack fins into your backpack and extend your schedule for new experiences. Take a moment after a stressful day and relax and escape from the hustle. Enhance your daily activities with the benefits of using folding fins. Increase your stamina and build a new foundation of active recreation. There's no doubt that folding fins will help you do it. The design and structure of fins comes from nature. We have managed to create biomimetic construction and achieve the most optimal hydrodynamic properties. Boost your performance, feel softness and lightness of swimming. That all combined creates smaller energy consumption and results in relaxed muscles. Discover the new sensation of satisfaction and fulfillment.